Hey guys, welcome to BFITTUBE. I'm Jess, and today we're diving into a full body stretch with 22 exercises, 30 to 60 seconds each, and 15 seconds of rest. This is a great little quick routine that you can throw into your day. You can do this in the morning to wake up your body, in the evening to unwind, or even during your workday to stretch out your back and legs, especially if you've been sitting too long. Stretching is essential for recovery and overall wellness, so let's make it a habit. You don't need any equipment, just make sure you can see your screen so you can follow along. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel and help us grow. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Let's begin. Side stretch, left. In 3, 2, 1, go. We're going to start with some side stretches. Reach up and over, extending your fingertips toward the wall, and feel the stretch along your side. Sink into your supporting hip. Rest time. Next, side stretch, right. In 3, 2, 1, go. Rest time. Next, seated forward fold. In 3, 2, 1, go. Relax your shoulders and breathe into the stretch. Rest time. Next, hamstring stretch left side. In 3, 2, 1, go. Rest time. Next, hamstring stretch right side. In 3, 2, 1, go. Rest time. Next, seated torso twist left side. In 3, 2, 1, go. Rest time. Next, seated torso twist right side. In 3, 2, 1, go. Rest time. Next, seated figure 4 right side. In 3, 2, 1, go. Rest time. Next, seated figure 4 left side. In 3, 2, 1, go. Rest time. Next, chest stretch. In 3, 2, 1, go. We're going to stretch out our chest. Bring your hands behind you and clasp them together. Stretch your arms back and press your biceps away from your body, opening up the chest. Feel the stretch across the front of your shoulders, arms, and down your bicep. Rest time. Next, cat-cow. In 3, 2, 1, go. Flow through the movement at your own pace. Rest time. Next, fire hydrant hip rotation, right side. In 3, 2, 1, go. Keep your core engaged and your movements controlled. Rest time. Next, fire hydrant hip rotation, left side. In 3, 2, 1, go. Rest time. Next, extended puppy pose. In 3, 2, 1, go. Rest time. Next, child's pose. In 3, 2, 1, go. Take slow, deep breaths and allow your body to soften into the position. Rest time. Next, lying twist, left side. In 3, 2, 1, go. Bring one leg over your body while extending your arms out in a T position. Turn your head to look toward the opposite side. Press your shoulder into the floor and let your leg feel heavy, allowing for a deep stretch. Rest time. Next, flying twist, right side. In 3, 2, 1, go. Rest time. Next, butterfly pose. In 3, 2, 1, go. Rest time. Next, downward dog walks. In 3, 2, 1, go. Rest time. Next, happy baby. In 3, 2, 1, go. Great job, everyone. Keep coming back to this routine to stay flexible, reduce stiffness, and feel your best. If you enjoyed this session, please like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel and help us grow. Stay consistent, take care of your body, and I'll see you in the next video.